po jako akawuwo.
We continue to request that you remain orderly.
Ku ssaawa 7:30 ez'ettuntu ly'olunaku olwaleero omubiri gwa Major General Paul Okechi gutuusiddwa mu maka ge agasangibwa ekiti Kifumba mu munisipaali y'Ekira, ab'emikwano n'eŋŋanda okugulabako n'okumukungubagira. General Paulo Okechi nga yafa ku makya g'olunaku olw'omukaaga olwa Ssabbiiti ewedde, abantu ab'enjawulo bamukungubagidde era nga bangi bamwogeddeko makula meerere.
We maintained very strong friendship with him. Actually, when he passed on, the day he passed on, I had organized a meeting, a security meeting in my constituency. When they called me, I was in a meeting organized by him on how to protect the people in Karamoja. You would imagine how unfortunate our people could be up there. We needed him more than everybody else at this time.
We shall never forget you. Just only last week on 16th August, you donated 1 million each to our council for the vulnerable people elderly. And the sugar and the rice is soon in our office here to be distributed. Just on 16th last week, 9 days to your death.
Namwandu Pauline Okechi agamba nti omwami we abadde wanjawulo ow'ekisa ate ng'afaayo eri buli muntu, wasabidde Omukama Katonda nti ebyamusobako ng'omuntu omwagalwa wabimusonyiwe.
Unlike most assignments, his recent appointment as Deputy IGP afforded us the opportunity to spend more time and quality family time with him. And that's the only time that I know I've been with my husband. If I can look back, I think I just sacrificed my husband for his duties.
Abaana b'omugenzi General Okechi kumpi buli omu amaziga gamuyunguse bwabadde batendereza omukwano n'obuvunaanyizibwa kitaabwe byabadde abalaga era nga bagenda kumusubwa ebitagambika.
Daddy's friends know that he always boasted of Winnie, and some of them never knew who Winnie was, but I am Winnie. I was his favorite. Mary is his star. Nancy is his mother. Robin is everything exterior and interior. When you meet Robin, do not be ashamed to salute, because you will notice that he's exactly like Daddy. Dad would come home from a hectic day and shower, and it's like he's on a second shift, and he started to attend to us, his children. We would watch soccer. Daddy is a Liverpool fan, so we were forced to always sing "We Will Never Walk Alone."
Abasirikale omubadde bannamagye abapoliisi ssaako ne bannabyakwerinda abalala batendereza General Okechi olw'obukozi obumalirivu, okwagala omulimu gwe ate n'okwagaliza buli omu, era nga bagambye nti ono bagenda kumusubwa nnyo.
Now, one thing that also endeared me to him was the way he told jokes. And I would go back and keep on laughing at his jokes whenever he would tell them. And he would put us to ease. General Okechi is the first officer to wonder why senior officers of the police were not deployed in other areas of public service.
We finished up some tasks whether we went when the late cousin had called us to Sangani to have a rest, because it was a task which was impossible, but we did it. And what happened, I don't want to go into details of that. We again went in other operations.
Abakungu okuva mu gavumenti okubadde ba minisita, abaka ba paalamenti, bassentebe ba zi disitulikiti ssaako n'abakulembeze abalala batendereza emirimu General Okechi gy'akoledde eggwanga era ng'omukulu ogwalese muggumivu ddala.
He put his life on the sword. And you understand what it means by bringing peace in Karamoja. A place where guns are like matoke, where guns are consumable and no more property. He put his life there. People talk about Somalia, but it was the elephant of Karamoja, as was a lion in Mogadishu.
General is an honest, straightforward man. Those who had issues with honesty would never understand him. They would in fact think he's just being arrogant, but that was him. He would call a spade a spade. Even sometimes he would disagree with me on many issues, and he will keep to his path.
Omubiri gwa General Paul Okecho olunaku olw'enkya ku ssaawa 4 ez'okumakya gwa kuteekebwa mu nnyonyi okutwalibwa ku kitebe kya disitulikiti y'e Padero. Abakulembeze baayo gye basabye gutwalibwe okusiima emirimu gy'akoledde disitulikiti eno ate n'eggwanga lyonna okutwalira wamu, nga n'olunaggi eno gujja kutwalibwa ku butaka gy'agenda okugalamizibwa olunaku olw'okutaano. Kanyike Kevin Z yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa ABS Television.